Good day to all, Atomians. Here again, Teresa Torreja, newly promoted Diamond Master from Kalayaan Rosa Mystica Healing Center. I would like to appreciate and give thanks first to God who provided all, lahat po. Marami din po salamat sa lahat ng mga partners ko na kung saan all the efforts, the time, the sacrifices, including the emotions. Challenge is a literal challenge in Atomy. Really, indeed. Imagine that was the first time mag-drive ako from Lucban, from Manila to Lucban, Lucban to Santa Cruz, Laguna, and then to Manila, all by myself. Yeah, Ma'am Gigi. Why is it so? It is because we usually hire a driver. Then, malaki bayad. Malakas kumain. So, what we did, ako marunong mag-drive. Dok, marunong ka naman mag-drive. Sa'yo naman yung car. O sige, ako mag-drive. So, magaling yung dalawa kong kasama. And really, I do appreciate them. Thank you, Doc Josie and Ma'am Evelyn. And you know what? Kapag may driver, lahat kami tulog. Pag ako driver, lahat sila gising. Baka kung saan sila damputin. But on top of all this, before Atomy, 5 years ago, I was a stubborn daughter of my mother, Ma'am Lydia. She's really a mother to me because she explained everything to me. Doc, that was 5 years ago, always and always explaining all the things that will happen to me if I will concentrate as a doctor in Atomy. So as Mom Flor, and all the other, Sir SP, my good sponsor, very supportive, thank you very much. And also our country manager, Sir Eric Kim, thank you very much with good leadership. And all the centers who supported us during the challenge, really, I cannot thank you enough. All the centers who really helped us. I have so many things to say, pero ito lang po sasabihin ko sa inyo. Merong isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima na pwedeng i-impart at paglabas nyo sa bulwagan na ito, pwede nyong baunin. Ano sinabi ni Dr. Torreja? Pero tatlo po iiwanan ko sa inyo. In order for you to succeed in challenge, na natutunan ko po, paano ako nakarating ng diamond. Una, be prepared. Kailangan po maging prepared. Kami po hindi ganong prepared. Kaya nga, sa susunod, God willing, on the second half of June, aiming to become a Sharon Rose Master. Of course, you cannot do it alone. It should be together with your group. Hindi ka makakatayo sa sarili mo. You should have a really dedicated group or really dedicated partners. And yun ay blessed ako na binigay ako ng mga partner na gano'n. And then second, you have to have commitment. Kung meron ka preparation, if yung mga kasama mo hindi committed and you yourself hindi ka naman committed sa Atomy, there is no success. Tandaan po natin yon. And the third one, which is very important, humility. Di po ba, serve in humility sa Atomians? Huwag ho nating pababayaan yung mawala ang pagpapakumbaba. Even you are a doctor. Even kahit na pinakamayamang ka pa, kailangan mong bumaba in order to reach the top. Yun lang po. I'm Dr. Teresa Torreja, Diamond Sales Master from Kalayaan Rosa Mystica Healing Center. Thank you.